Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about trading against the crowd. All right, now trading against the crowd refers to a contrarian approach where traders analyze situations in which the majority of market participants appear to be positioned in one direction. All right, now markets are influenced by the collective behavior of traders, institutions, and investors. All right, traders, institutions, and investors. The markets are influenced by collective behavior of these three. Okay, and then sometimes when sentiment becomes heavily one-sided, price may begin to move in the opposite direction. So contrarian traders study indicators of market sentiment, positioning data, or price behavior, to identify situations where the market may be overly optimistic or overly pessimistic. For example, if many traders are buying aggressively, all right, if many traders are buying aggressively, maybe around a particular zone or around a particular price point, right? Maybe near a support level or a demand level, right? Or maybe traders are selling aggressively, maybe near a particular resistance zone or thereabout, right? A contrarian trader may observe how price reacts to determine whether buying pressure or let us use this example. Say traders are buying aggressively near a strong resistance level, because ideally strong resistance should be the level where traders should be selling, right? Around the strong resistance traders should be selling. So assuming traders are buying around, many traders for that matter are buying around or near a strong resistance level, a contrarian trader may observe how price reacts to determine whether buying pressure is weakening. Now, the idea is not simply to oppose the majority, but to identify moments when sentiment may be reaching extremes. Now, combining sentiment analysis with technical levels and price action can help traders understand how crowd behavior may influence market movements. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.